Want to use a traditional phone with your Spectrum Internet service? It's easy using the voice port on your Spectrum modem. This setup leverages VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, to connect analog phones digitally. First, ensure you have an active Spectrum voice subscription. The phone port won't work without it. This requires a stable internet connection. Locate the voice port on your Spectrum modem. It's usually an RJ11 jack labeled phone or voice. Simply plug one end of a standard phone cord into this port and the other into your phone's base or wall jack. If needed, power cycle your modem. Dial N99 or check the Spectrum app to confirm activation. You can even use a phone splitter to connect up to two phones to a single voice port. Remember, this requires a stable internet connection. While the setup is generally straightforward, some factors can impact performance. VoIP relies on your internet connection, so power outages will affect your phone service unless you have a battery backup for your modem. For optimal voice quality, ensure you have at least 5 megabit upload speed. If you experience echo or jitter, Spectrum's firmware updates often improve call quality. Ensure your modem is up to date. Consider security. While Spectrum provides network encryption, securing your Wi-Fi network is crucial. Also, while 911 services are included, be aware that your location information is tied to your registered address. For older phones incompatible with VoIP signaling, like rotary dial phones, Spectrum may offer adapter kits. For any issues, contact Spectrum support. Spectrum also offers integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice-enabled smart home capabilities with this setup.